In this video, we're going to show you how to allow Instagram to access photos on iPhone. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find the Instagram app, then tap on it. At the top, you'll see an option called Photos. Tap on it. If you want to give Instagram access to only some of your photos, tap Limited Access. Then, select the photos you want to allow and tap Done at the top right. If you want to give Instagram access to all your photos, tap Full Access. Then, confirm by tapping Allow Full Access. Check on Instagram, open the Instagram app, go to your messages by tapping the icon at the top right, and select a chat. Tap the gallery icon at the bottom right. You'll see only the photos you selected earlier. If you gave full access, all your photos will be available when you tap the gallery icon. That's it. Now you know how to allow Instagram to access your photos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.